Gonna do an opening.
In the way?
He's cool. You recording? This is this is an Alu-Box. I ordered.
A what?
It's an Alu-Box. It's an aluminum, like a box you put stuff in, like for overlanding. Come all the way from Denmark.
What do they do in Denmark? I thought
make,
they just had roads.
Alu-Box.com. Oh, some bubble wrap to play with. Look at that. Do what?
I'll ask later.
You'll ask what later? You got to take that pretty good. It's an aluminum box, like an overlanding type box. But you can put it. You got like a storage place on top of your car rack or whatever. Sweet. It's got a rubber seal all the way down. Tack welded. It's got seams. All the way. It's just waterproof and everything. So it's a pretty cool little. You can throw your clothes in this or whatever, food, and put it in the back of the truck going down the road. Leave it in the rain. Leave it in the weather. It won't. You know, it's aluminum, so the sun won't fade it, damage it. So it's a pretty neat. I've been looking at these things for a while. Got spring handles on it. Spring handle on the front. It's even got little rubber things.
What happens when you're trying to get something out of it and you're trying to be quiet?
What happens when you're trying to be quiet? Why would you need to be quiet?
Maybe you
just get it out whenever you can get it out without making noise.
In the middle of the night, you don't want to wake nobody up at the campsite, and then you grab the handle and you accidentally let go, and then the whole thing rattles, and then it makes it worse by this thing freaking sound like a gun.
You don't let that go.
What if you drop it?
But Alu-Box, made in Denmark. They come in all different sizes. This is a 40 liter, I think, or 42 liter. I think this is a 42 liter. They're not cheap. I want to get a few of them, but I figured I'd get one and try it. And they're made where you can take and stack them. These little these are cast, I think, cast aluminum pieces here. They're made where you can stack them, so you can get different sizes. They have different sizes, but the same. They've got different widths and heights, but they got different sizes in this same footprint. So you can get like a smaller one that'll stack on here, or either a taller one that'll stack on here, so you can stack them up and then tie them down, strap them up, go down the road. So pretty cool, huh?
I'm starting to hurt.
All right, that's good.